Bro, how is my aim so bad?
Oh, bro, your aim sucks. You sucks. Ah, loser, loser.
Don't use an aim trainer. Well, if it doesn't exist, I'll just make one myself. Wait, I suck at coding and I don't know Scarpet. Today, I'm abusing Clankers to make me an aim trainer for Minecraft since I suck at coding. For this project, we're gonna use Scarpet, the scripting language for the fabric mod Carpet made by our goat Nembon. This is a programming project, so I'll be using Claude Sonnet 4.6. The only problem is that I don't think Claude knows Scarpet. Anyways, the start to any good project is clearly defining your requirements, so I did just that with the aim trainer in Google Docs. Basically, we'll use the Carpet mod commands to summon a fake player, have them strafe left or right, move back and forth within player reach, and constantly look at the player. The result is pretty close to an aim trainer tracking drill, but it's just in Minecraft. I first told it to create TS and pasted the requirements, but this dumbass AI made a .ts file. Bro, TS not tough. But after a quick rectification, it wrote an actual Carpet script. But when trying to run the script, we ran into an issue. For a while, I was just giving it back the errors I was getting, but then I realized Claude knows nothing about Scarpet and its syntax, so I gave it the documentation and also looked through it myself. After a few simple errors, the bot actually spawned in. But it was still giving errors and Claude was being kinda stupid. Average clanker. Eventually, I changed the logic to have it look at specific coordinates and go left, and I guess that kind of worked, but it kept moving backwards for some reason. I made it look at a specific player's coordinates instead of just 0, 0, and after that, it actually started kind of working. Still moving backwards though. I had it moved to always stay exactly 2.5 blocks away from the player, and there we go, it works. It was moving a bit too fast from a little glitch, but I fixed it. There was only one thing left to add, that being to add the forward and backward movement functionality from the original script requirements. After a bit of prompting, we get this. A simple aim trainer using Carpet mod. Now, I'll show you how to install and use the script. First, make sure you're playing on the Fabric version of Minecraft. I'll link the tutorial for downloading that in the description. Next, download the Carpet mod from Modrent. The link to that will also be in the description. Now go ahead and download the aim_trainer.sc script from the Google Drive link in the description. Once you've got the Fabric version of Minecraft, Carpet mod, and the script downloaded onto your computer, go into your .minecraft folder, go to Carpet, then Scripts, and put aim_trainer.sc into this folder. You can now go into a world where you have command permissions, but keep in mind that I'm not sure if this works on multiplayer servers. Run the following command, /script load aim_trainer. Now run the command /aim_trainer start, and then put your in-game name, and then put the name of the player you'd like to be the bot. And just like that, the bot should spawn in. To change the speed, use the /effect give bot name speed infinite level true command. And to make it take no knockback, use /effect give @s weakness infinite 255 true. And to clear the weakness from yourself or the speed from the bot, you can use the /effect clear command. To stop the bot, use the command /aim_trainer stop and then put the bot name. Keep in mind that there may be bugs considering that the code is basically spaghetti because of Claude's capabilities with the Scarpet language. But if you do find a bug that you want me to fix, you can contact me on Discord at AlphaHylian. I also plan to work on this in the future, cleaning up the script and adding new features. So if you have any ideas, then you know my Discord. This is the first video in a series I'd like to call the training arc, where I try to get better at the video game and share how I do it and what I picked up with you. So make sure to subscribe because I've got a whole bunch of videos coming up. And with that, I'll see y'all later.